Are you still printing your Excel sheets and getting a jumbled mess of cut-off columns spread across 10 pages? In the next 60 seconds, I am going to show you the essential. Most Excel users hit Ctrl-P, click Print, and then watch in horror as their data spills across 5 pages with headers only on the first page. First, let us set a print area so Excel only prints exactly the data you want. Select the range of cells you need, then go to the Page Layout tab in the ribbon, click on Print Area, and choose Set Print. Now go to Page Layout and click the small arrow in the corner of the Page Setup group to open the full dialog box. Under the Page tab, find the Fit To option and set it to 1 page wide by 1. Now press Ctrl-P to open Print Preview, and look at how perfect that looks. All your data fits neatly on 1 page with your headers appearing at the top of every sheet. You just learned how to set a print area, fit your sheet to 1 page, and repeat headers on every printed page. The 3 print settings every Excel user